Hey guys,
Hey.
welcome back to my channel, the Fatful Clan 427. How are you all today? I hope you all have an amazing day. So, by the way, happy Boxing Day. So the day after Christmas, we call it Boxing Day. That's what you call it, right?
If that's what you call it, that's what you call it.
Boxing Day.
Yeah, you can call it whatever you want.
You don't know anything. He doesn't know anything. Even in English, I have to teach him. He does not know a lot. I have to teach him English, grammar and everything.
Grandma.
Is it grammar or grammar? Grammar.
It's grandma.
Huh?
Grandma.
Grammar?
Grandma.
What is grammar?
It's your one of your parents' mother.
No.
Grandma.
It's not it.
Kind of hearing loss here. Just beat me in the ear. Can't hear out my left ear.
Okay, guys. Tonight we're gonna have a Thai sausage with cabbage, dry chili. Look at this, and we're supposed to have it with cucumbers too, but I didn't buy cucumbers. I just forgot. I just didn't think about that. And also ginger. It's good too. Put it together.
All right, there's something very important to know about the chili pepper here.
Cut off your head.
If you cook a chili pepper, you better have a good fan that helps with the air circulation.
I know.
Because you will be coughing.
We know. If you're Asian, you know.
Yeah, if you're Asian, you know. But for all the people that are not Asian and that have never cooked the chili, make sure you have a good air circulation because you will have trouble breathing.
Well, too bad they can't handle this, you know. Too bad.
So, or a special room because we have a different room for cooking the chili pepper.
You gotta have a different room, yeah, when you cook it.
Or cook it outside
cook
or something.
outside in summertime or wintertime. It's so cold, so you don't wanna be freezing.
So if you're trying that, cook a pepper for your first time, that's what you want to do. Or go to someone's house that you don't like.
You make fun of my food all the time. My food. All right, we're gonna. You wanna?
Is it recording now? 'Cause I don't think it's
Grab a bite first. Try one here. Here, this one.
Why this one?
Huh?
Why this one? Why'd you pick this one?
I picked this up because it's small one, so you don't waste it. You like it?
Yeah.
You got a beer.
Homemade sausage. She buys the skin, and she packs the skin, and she'll tell you what she packs it with. I think rice and some other stuff in there. What kind of?
It calls sausage casing.
Is that
And
pork?
you just stuff like rice. At first you mix rice with so many things. You mix it with salt, you know, glass noodles, sauce, black soy sauce, and that's it. And I put a little bit of vinegar in it, so it will make it a little sour. I like it sour.
Is it a pork intestine that you use to
yes,
wrap it?
and a pork, yeah.
Pork intestine is the
pork.
skin on the outside that she wraps in.
That's not a pork intestine.
Okay, well, what's that skin?
I don't know. They made it.
You told me it was pork intestine.
How was it? You
Good.
like it? You like it?
I like enough to eat it.
Coffee.
The cabbages help you with the spicy peppers.
Kind of garnish it. I'm gonna like put
So those are just red spicy peppers?
This is side. It's a lot better when you kind of stuff it together. You eat it together, you know, at once.
How do you make this?
I bought it at a store.
How do they make it?
Let's just throw one. You don't want any with this? The vegetables?
I love some vegetables.
I'm gonna make you eat all my food. Whether you like it or not. You wanna eat a tiny one? It's cute.
I'll eat this one. I'm very picky when it comes to foreign foods. It's hard for me to eat something I'm not used to.
You're not gonna survive when you go to other countries like Africa. You're not Indian because they have a bad like sanitizer. You know.
Maybe I won't go to those countries.
I'll still go. I still wanna go.
I'll go to places that make the food the right way.
India's got a.
Not street foods.
Well, do you think they all make food like that? No. You go to Dubai, you know, they have some rich countries, rich part Dubai, you know, and India. Okay. What?
Nothing.
We have plenty of time so you can talk.
So,
If you want to see him eat, you know, other type of food, you know, so it's request it, you know, down below, you know, in the description below, in the comment section.
I
So
might be willing to do it for the video.
we will read all your comments. And we are very loyal, so we're gonna read all your comments and we're gonna respond to all your comments. And yeah,
I did sacrifice myself for one of her videos to make the durian fruit video. It was really hard, but I did it. Just like today, maybe I'll take a bite of one of these things.
you had a ginger before. Remember, I put it in the pork thing. That was it was cooked. This one is like
Well, I'm gonna eat it plain here.
this one is kind of like, how do you say
Fermented?
it? No.
Pickled?
Yeah, like a pickled ginger. Pickled ginger.
Okay, so for you, that's why I think fermented, because pickles are fermented fruit, vegetable. So I will try this pickled root, which I really don't want. I really don't want to eat it, but
Come on. How that taste?
oh, there. Okay, so on the last video, I did eat a root, and they're very tingy. Okay, that one's cold, wet, tingy, pickled, but I did it, and I swallowed it with the help of good old drinks. Be over in a snap.
Like that.
And now the inside of my body will deal with the rest of that. For now, get the taste out. Some stuff that's bearable for me.
I hope you don't get stomach problems.
My body has a weak immune system, so I have to be careful what I eat, because it could affect me for a long time. Can you save these two for me? I'll eat these two, and you eat these two. I need to eat more healthy food. I have an addiction to unhealthy food. Cakes, fast food.
They're not healthy.
Sugar.
I don't eat any of those.
Now, vegetables are alright. I can eat them, but it's not my go-to thing. I look in the fridge, and that sugar really attracts my attention. I grab and I eat that. So, with the help of my wife, I can eat healthier.
You need to eat healthier. Cause the way you eat, you know, when you were a kid, not good.
My mom used to make me healthy meals, but eventually that stopped, and then I eat whatever I want, whenever I want.
When did you stop?
Maybe I was 7 or 10, somewhere around there. Maybe a teenager.
That's when the time you should make your own food, you know.
Yeah.
I started cooking when I was like seven, you know. Ever since then, you know.
So my mom stopped making dinners. We used to eat as a family for dinner when I was young.
Too bad.
My dad eats like my wife. He makes all kinds of things, healthy foods. I would eat processed foods because I thought it was safer, better, cleaner. But it turns out processed foods are the worst for you. The stuff that looks good, looks clean, looks safe, it's the deadliest ones.
You don't know what to put in there. It could be anything in there. It could be somebody's hair. It could be a mouse hair. It's gross. We just stopped eating McDonald's like a long time ago, right? Did we go to McDonald's when we were your parents? We didn't, right?
No, we cut out the best we could. I did have some like 3 months ago, but I tried to avoid it at all costs. I'm traveling, that's all that I can get. Then I might eat it.
Well, we went to that.
But we do our best to stay away from fast food now. Because we know that the damage it's done to me.
We went to Greensboro, North Carolina. Did we order anything?
Not fast food.
Well, we ordered Chinese food, right?
We ate at a restaurant. We ate at like Chinese food. At like a Thai.
Japanese.
It was a Thai store restaurant, fast food restaurant thing at the mall, Greensboro. See that? She's got more of these right over there. And I thought we had them all.
Got more here.
Now, which is that? That you said the cabbage?
Yeah. That's not
You can
nice.
cut that out. You can edit it out.
See, now we're the same. When I'm like this, I look a lot bigger.
The cabbage is a little spicy. like a little thing to it. A little sting on my tongue. Do you feel it?
You want to try this? Come on.
Not today's video.
Come on. Try it.
I can't go that far today.
Come on. You could do it. Come on. You could do it.
I don't know if the problem with this is do I think it's too spicy? Or I think it tastes horrible? Something about it I don't like. See, freak out. Maybe I won't.
You have a more iced tea?
But I think that what bothers me about this is the taste. It doesn't really have an something appealing to me.
I like
maybe
it.
I could eat it and I'll like it like her. But maybe I'm past that point. Maybe I'm too old for that. You see me from videos from now on eating this because I like it. Alright, I will try it. But because of my heartburn, I can't eat too much of this stuff. You don't know what I feel on the inside? Oh, crispy. Nice and crispy.
Try it.
It's kind of like a greasy shell.
You have a napkin? Yeah. Yeah.
Greasy for some reason. But it tastes just like it smells.
You said tangy?
It tastes just like it smells.
What does that mean?
Like a
Tangy.
like it tastes dry. Just like the texture, you feel it and you feel it and you
just
smell
like
it.
a bite.
And it tastes the same way, but it has that spicy ting to it.
Yeah, spicy tingle.
I wasn't gonna swallow that.
Tingling.
Because then I'd be dealing with that all day. It wasn't too spicy. It was just, I'm not doing like a freak out. It wasn't the ghost pepper. It wasn't beyond what I'm used to.
These are spiciest, chili.
Because when I eat General Chow's chicken at my Chinese restaurant back in Niagara Falls, they put some spices on there. It's the same spicy, same peppers, seeds.
No. It's different peppers. If this one is gonna be.
They changed the recipe.
Spicy.
You haven't tried the recipe this year. This
Very
year's
spicy.
recipe, the 2019, well this year, 2019's recipe had added those peppers to theirs. So if you tried theirs last year, it would be different. All their food, even their orange chicken, for some reason, you think it's just General Chow's, and then I switched to orange chicken because I didn't want to eat the peppers. And it's still spicy. All they do is put orange slices in it.
Orange slice.
It's the same chicken. General Chow's orange chicken. It was the same chicken.
Did they put this orange slice in it?
I asked for
Orange
orange
skin?
chicken. The peel.
Really?
The orange peel. I asked for orange chicken because I didn't want it to be too spicy. And they just put orange peels in it.
Orange peel?
So, it used to be my favorite Chinese restaurant in Niagara Falls. But I'm no longer going to be eating there.
The last one.
Problem is, when I go there, I don't know if there's another good one. But we'll do the recipe at least as good as the old one. But here in Central New York, I did find a good Chinese restaurant. I found two. I found one of the ones that you order and you take home, or you order and they deliver. And then we have another one in Herkimer that has a good buffet, Chinese buffet. And it was hard to find some in the area, some good Chinese restaurants, because I tried at least 3. And they just couldn't make it that good. Some of them have, like, their chickens swimming in the juice. Some of them have too much soy sauce.
Well, with the other ones, in New Hartford, there are too many people.
They couldn't keep up with the customers in the one
And it's dirty.
Chinese restaurant in New Hartford.
I don't like that.
They couldn't, like, the plates and stuff weren't clean because they had too many customers that they couldn't keep up with it. But when we went to Herkimer, they only got a few customers. It went out pretty good. 10-minute drive, 15-minute drive to New Hartford, or a 20-minute drive to the other one. We'll take a 20-minute drive, extra 5-10 minutes. Well, finished all the sausage.
We'll just devour the whole thing.
I'm not gonna eat the rest of that. I'm not gonna eat the rest of that. So, I think we're done here. What do you think, Paul?
How many do you eat?
I didn't count. But, we can look at the video. You can guess, how many did I eat? If you think you knew how many I ate, put the comments at the bottom, and we'll see, did I eat more than her? How many did she eat? And we'll see who actually got the right answer.
Yeah, did I eat more? Did he eat more?
How many did we
Just
eat?
leave in a comment below. Very spicy.
I'm not gonna keep that spices in too long.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. God bless. Bye-bye.
Bye.